Foundations Test Unit 9. We will begin with sounds. You are going to listen to one video that will tell you all 5 sounds to type. You will type each sound in its own answer box. Sound number 1. Type the 3 ways to make the E sound, like in Pete, me, and baby. Long E sound, like in Pete, me, and baby. Number 2. Type the 3 ways to make the sound, like in her, bird, and burn. Sound number 3. R, like in car. R. Number 4. Type the 2 ways to make the OR sound, like in horn and more. Or. Number 5. Type the 2 ways to make the W sound, like in wind and whistle. W.